At Cleanic, we specialize in professional cleaning solutions that combine innovation, quality, and sustainability. We collaborate closely with brands and businesses to deliver reliable cleaning products and equipment that support both performance and environmental responsibility. With over 41 years of experience since our founding in 1983, we have grown from a Hong Kong-based seller into a trusted manufacturer in the cleaning equipment and solutions industry. Our dedication to consistent quality and strategic growth has established us as a pioneer with a strong reputation across markets. We export extensively to Southeast Asia, Australia, Africa, and the Middle East. Our network is supported by offices in Hong Kong, Guangzhou, Shanghai, and Macau, keeping us closely connected to clients and markets worldwide. Cleanic, innovating with dedication for a cleaner, greener earth.